So artificial rejuvenation works for everyone, and is it hard to believe? I am Juliette, and I am from the Oralift team, and we're going to answer this and other questions we are frequently asked in a series of short Q&A videos. Today's question is, how does Oralift work? And it will be answered by Fran Mohindra, the co-founder of Oralift. Hi, Fran.
Hi, Juliet, and thank you. I'm actually very happy to answer this particular question because it's one of our most frequently asked questions, and understandably so, because it is quite a weird concept that something you should wear in the mouth could produce rejuvenating effects on the face. But the human body is a weird and wonderful machine. Let me try to explain. We all know that exercise is the best natural medicine. We believe that Oralift is actually better than exercise. It doesn't use the same principle, but rather the principle of the body's natural ability to adapt to its environment. With Oralift, the facial muscles have to adapt to the new position of the jaw when Oralift is being worn in the mouth. And it's this process of adaptation that causes the rejuvenating effects on the face. So I do hope this explanation answers the question. Thank you.
Thank you, Fran. It's a nice and simple answer. And obviously, if people want to know more about Oralift, they can check out our website or send us an email anytime. In the next Q&A video, we'll be talking about what are the benefits of using Oralift. But in the meantime, thank you, Fran, and see you next time.